This is my second set of 20 Festival of Fusumbre IIs. Let's get right into it. See if I get any other crimped cards or anything special or cool this time. I didn't see all of the cards the last time, so there might be some new ones in here. We got another Fua. Making up some potions here. Another berry surprise. Aria, fantastic. Serac. Ooh, this one's a new one. We got Asherin Twilight Mimic. That like blood red background looks fantastic. This Festival of Fusumbre is based off of Halloween. It is Fabled's kind of Halloween in the world. So you'll get a bunch of different characters dressing up in like Halloween costumes, which is fantastic because all of the art is phenomenal. Another kitty cat. Another Asherin, but with small dots. Oh, they both have small dots. That's cool. And the small dot foil was actually kind of a printing error in the first Festival of Fusumbre. So we decided to end up continuing with that in this second festival, just to kind of keep up with that mystic kind of thing with the Festival of Fusumbre. We have Vyrexia. Abaddon's Bloom. Some of the cards just don't have a lot of area that gets foiled. Vyrexia. Another Vyrexia. Okay. Hitting the duplicates here. Seal. The Seal of Entropy is sort of based off of the Seal of Orichalcos in Yu-Gi-Oh! Perpetual Pestilence. As the game is also kind of based around Yu-Gi-Oh! As well. Asherin. Nothing spectacular in this second set of 20 right now. Oh, monochrome berry surprise. Yeah. Oh, first gold script. This is a reprint from Sanguine Bloom, but this one is a new script. Scripts are one of the highest rarities in Fabled Sagas. And this one's just a regular gold script, so there's going to be more out there. More of this one out there. But this one is a nice addition to the collection. Oh. All right, so back to back. This one is the monochrome script from Festival of Fusumbre II. The monochrome is monochrome with the script being orange. So you can see the different color there. This one's gold and this one's orange. That's kind of neat that that was back to back. I'll take it as well. Coco. And the last pack for this set of 20. We get Pocket, our first Pocket. Fantastic. And I think there's still a couple of cards for sure that we haven't seen. I'll gladly take the gold script and the monochrome script right after each other. Thanks for watching.